You know what it is. Day 2 vlog. Jack in the Box. We're pissed out right now. But I go. What's that place called, John? Horsetail Falls.
Horsetail.
Yeah, go for it. Oh shit! I just got rocked in the face. Live on camera. We out here. Yeah. What falls is this called, John?
Horsetail.
Horsetail. What about the which one you about to go to? Or
I don't want to say it, but it's like the Oneneta. But it's closed because of the 2017 fires. So
whoever did that, fuck you. Steven.
What kind of
As Dean. Alright. I'll keep y'all updated when we get closer to the falls. Shit. How far do you think we're in this hike? Like halfway?
Yeah. I mean,
we still got a while to go.
yeah, it feels longer, but I think we're like half a mile in.
Yeah.
The elevation is just crazy.
A lot of incline and shit. Alright, I'll keep you updated. Hi guys, that was the end of the vlog, and that was us hiking Horsetail Falls and Oneneta Falls. Next week we're probably gonna go on another hike, so let us know what hike we should go on in like the Portland area.
Yeah, leave in the comments where you think we should go next. If anybody's watching this, stay safe. Yeah, I think so. What are you talking about?
Peace and love.